college students, I used to come on YouTube every time and search for ways to make money online. So I understand how urgent this is for you as a student, and that is why I come today to show you the fastest way to make money online as a student in 2025. And this is $100 in 30 minutes. I said 30 minutes because the whole process of you watching this video and going to this website to complete 1 or 2 tasks, everything is going to take at least 30 minutes. So let us get started. The first step is to go to Google and search for SEO Writing AI, where you can generate one-click blog post. Okay, this is what the website is actually going to look like. You want to click on Get Started for free. Enter your name, enter your email address, enter 8-digit password, and click on Sign Up. Or you can just sign up directly with your Google account. For step 2, you want to go to ChatGPT and tell it to write you a 10-topic idea that is true story, bizarre and interesting article, oral article. So it is actually going to generate you these different topics idea. Then you want to copy one of these title and go back to SEO AI writing. Then click on the one blog post or make keyword, paste the title and click on next. So it's actually going to generate you a very catchy title, as you can see. So you can make some changes, change the voice, change the article size, and if you scroll down, you also be able to generate keywords for yourself that you can use. If you click on that, you'll be able to generate lots of keywords that you can use, and also how many images that you want. AI images, how many images that you want. If you want to input it on YouTube videos, you can just make some changes on the website. It is totally for free. Okay, and if you don't want to make any manual changes yourself, you can just click on Run. It is actually going to generate everything that you need for you. Now, for you to start making more than $100 on today's video, you want to go back to ChatGPT and copy that title. The actual real event, you want to go to Google and search for it. So it is actually going to bring us the actual real event. So you can just click on images to check out the real event images. You will see lots of images that you can download on your phone. So you can just download 3 to 5 images on your phone. Now you want to go back to SEO writing, and as you can see, it already generates a article for us, a blog post, almost 4,000 words that we can make use of. It's generated AI images, but you can as well change the images manually from the one that you got from Google. So it's broke down the article into step by step that people can understand where they are reading it. So this looks actually interesting. So you can go through the article, change some words so that it will not look like it's artificial intelligence that generated this for you. So you want to click on copy. First way you can make money is to go to a platform called Listverse, where you can get paid when you submit a list. That is when you submit a blog article. As you can see, this is 2025 that this person actually submitted this list. For you to get started, you want to click on this icon right here. You will see write and get paid, submit a list. So you want to click on write and get paid. So it says get paid $100. Do you want to earn money online? Listverse was built on the efforts of readers like you. So it says, so here is the deal. We'll pay you $100 for your efforts. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to have English equal to that of a native speaker, a sense of humor, and a love for things unusual or interesting. So you will get paid $100 into your PayPal account, right, when your list is actually accepted. So please pay attention to this part. These are the rules of Listverse. As long as you don't steal other people's stuff and you don't break the rules of Listverse, it is actually good. So for you to submit a list, you want to click on submit a list. Okay, so it says make sure that it is proofread and edited, right? So you want to include your name or any nickname, your email address, they will keep that one private, your PayPal email address, and your author blog. Okay, it says tell us more about you, promote your social media accounts, which is actually a reasonable thing to do. So your list title, a clear introduction to your list, and again your list has to be 1,500 to 2,000 words. Now it's time for you to go back to SEO writing, copy the list, then paste it right here. When you are done, read this through, make sure that there is no grammatical error. Then you want to click on I agree to the terms and conditions, submit your list, then wait for a miracle to happen. If your list gets rejected, this is the mail that they are going to send to you. The first one, the list is not a novel. We seek lists that look at the world from an unexpected angle. The list is too short or too long. The list requires too much editing, poor English, lack of proof reading. The topic is already covered on Listverse. The list does not have a twist or element of surprise. The topic is simply not in keeping with the style of content we publish. So these are the stuff that you should look at for. Don't make any of these mistakes when you want to publish on Listverse. So look out for this to guide you, all right? I started using Listverse in 2023, and this is one of the first mail that they sent to me. So I actually submitted an article, and in less than 3 days they responded. So if your article is actually accepted, you will receive $100 to your PayPal account. Or if your article is rejected, they will send a message to you that your article is rejected. You have to write another one. That is why you have to write at least 5 articles, and you can make use of artificial intelligence to do that. Another way you can make money on today's video is to go to medium.com. If you are not familiar with how Medium work, you can always submit your article, unlike Listverse where you just submit and they will get ownership of the article. On Medium app, you can create a page for yourself. You can direct people from other platforms to Medium to read your article, and you will get paid. It's just like, you know, YouTube is a video, right? People watch ads on your video and you are getting paid on YouTube, but on Medium app it's the written form. When people watch your ads, when people read your article, there's ads that will pop up. So I'm actually going to touch on another way that you can make money on Medium. So for you to get started, you want to click on the get started icon, sign in with your Google, sign in with Facebook, or any other way that you want to sign in and get started for totally free. When you've published your first article on Medium, you want to copy the link for Medium. Then you want to go to a website called ShrinkEarn, where you can shorten link and you'll be able to earn up to $20 per 1,000 visits through your link, through your Medium link. First, you want to create an account, then you want to shorten the link and you want to start earning money. Okay, how do you earn money on ShrinkEarn? It's 3 steps like I mentioned. So ShrinkEarn CPN is up to $20. Now, for you to bring people to ShrinkEarn websites, you want to direct people from your other social media platform. If you have Thread, if you have Twitter, if you have YouTube, if you have Instagram, direct people to click on the link for totally free. You can even employ some people that, okay, you will give them so amount if they bring other people to click on link. They will send it to groups. Okay, so this is a way to make money while you are at home. Minimum amount of money that you can withdraw on ShrinkEarn platform is $4, which is actually easy to get. And also you can earn money when you refer people to the platform. For you to get started, you want to click on the sign up icon right here. You want to fill in the necessary information. It says register a new membership, your username, your email, your password, and re-enter your password. I am not a robot. I agree to the terms of use and privacy policy and register. I hope that you guys understand in details everything that I have explained on today's video. If you don't understand, please drop a comment below. I would love to enlighten you more. If you make it to this part of the video, drop your favorite emoji in the comment section so that I know that you are a real OG. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.